Hello guys. In the last video, Naveen we have seen about that how we have prepared that NaOH from NaCl. Okay, okay, a NaCl as a raw material ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು and today's concept, sorry. So we already prepared NaOH, that is a sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Okay. So what are the other chemicals which we can prepare from NaCl ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first in that one first is bleaching powder. Is what? Bleaching powder. Already ನಾವು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, but also bleaching powder. The first one is bleaching powder and second one is baking soda. What? Baking soda. Baking soda. The next one is I'll keep one as a optional. It is a optional. Okay, baking powder also. Baking powder, it is optional, though it is not a main ingredient or else main chemical that can be prepared by NaCl, but it is a optional. I am taking it as a optional. Okay, the next one, baking washing soda. This one is last one, not last, washing soda. These are some chemicals which can be prepared from NaCl, which can be prepared from NaCl. So I'll come to the first one. Already we have discussed about that. This process, whatever the process, manufacturing or else preparation of NaOH is there, no, that one is by a chlor-alkali process. This experiment reaction or else the procedure, the procedure name is what? Chlor-alkali. Chlor-alkali process. So why it is called as a chlor-alkali process? Because I'll write that one as you remember. If you remember, we have taken in this one, so NaOH I'm talking about. Okay, in this process, in the preparation of NaOH, we have taken NaCl. We have taken NaCl and water as a raw material. So this is what we can call this one as a brine solution. This is called as a brine. So as you see the chemical equation, 2 NaOH and 2 H2O, NaCl plus 2 H2O will give rise to NaOH, will give rise to NaOH and Cl2, chlorine gas, and along with hydrogen gas, see the our what that our process name, the what is the reaction is going on, this process or else this experiment name is called chlor-alkali process. In this one, because chlorine is released, see this one, chlorine is released here. Okay, and NaOH is an alkalide form of in a future you will come to know about what is alkali. Okay, that alkali means what, the base which can be dissolved in water, that is called as alkalis. So we'll talk about later. So this is one type of alkali here. So alkali, the production of the, in this process, whatever the process of the reaction between brine solution, electrolysis of brine solution, is also called as chlor-alkali process, because there is a release of one alkali product and one chlorine gas as a byproducts. These are the two byproducts, those are chlorine and alkalis. That's why it is called as chlor-alkali process. That's why it is called as chlor-alkali process. Remember this question, it might be asked in examinations. Okay, NaCl, so this one is what our motto of preparation of NaOH. Now we'll go for bleaching powder. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder, chemical formula of bleaching powder? That one is CaOCl twice. CaOCl twice. This is what chemical form of that bleaching powder. Okay, fine. So we have to prepare it. Okay, I'll tell about this, how we can prepare this one. So in this one we have to take calcium hydroxide, a slate lime. We have to take a I'll write it here, bleaching powder. bleaching powder. So in this one we have to take what, I'll change the sketch pen color because both are seems to be same. Okay, fine. Bleaching powder is there, so we have to here we need slaked lime. We need slaked lime. We need what? Slaked lime. And we need a chlorine gas here. Chlorine gas. Remember this one. So we have to pass this chlorine gas along with a slaked lime. We have to pass a chlorine gas along the slaked lime. A slaked lime formula is CaOH twice. This one is a chlorine slaked lime. As you know about this, where you have seen this one. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You have seen in the first topic, right? Calcium oxide was taken there one, and we have added a water to it, and we have got calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide we have got. So this one is called a slaked lime. This is a slaked lime. So we have to pass chlorine gas. We have to pass chlorine gas along with the solution. At that time we'll get a CaOCl2. This one is your bleaching powder. This one is your bleaching powder. Plus water is released here. Simple. We have to take a slaked lime and chlorine gas, and we have to pass the chlorine gas along with the slaked lime. If you pass it, then definitely you'll get what? Bleaching powder. So similarly, there are two conditions now. When you are passing a carbon dioxide along with the calcium hydroxide, it will produce you what? Calcium carbonate. It will produce you calcium carbonate, or else it can be turned into milky white solution. It can be turned with a milky white solution. In that same place, if you pass a chlorine gas, at that time it will give you calcium oxochlorate, calcium chlorate ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. So this is what? bleaching powder. So this one is what your second point. So how it was linked? Linking is like here. See, here is a chlorine gas is there. Where this chlorine gas come from? It was taken from that the product which is obtained from chloralkali process, where NaCl is a main ingredient. So from NaCl we got a chlorine gas, and that chlorine gas should be passed through the calcium hydroxide solution, and you will get bleaching powder. So this is the first linkage. And we have got bleaching powder from NaCl. Okay, because chlorine gas is generated from NaCl, so that's why it was interlinked to it. So next one is what? Baking soda. We have to prepare baking soda. We have to prepare. So how we will prepare baking soda? Na ಹೆಂಗೆ prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The baking soda, the formula for baking soda is NaHCO3. The chemical form of so baking soda is NaHCO3. So what is the chemical name of this compound baking soda? That was sodium. HCO3 group is there, then it is called hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is the chemical name of it. This is what? Chemical name of it. Baking soda, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate was released from it. So this one, sorry, ಇದೆ chemical name. As you see this already, ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು experimental ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, where you has used it. This one, the acid react with the sodium hydrogen carbonate, and the byproducts are, you have to check that. Okay, fine. How we have to prepare this one? So we need a NaCl right now here. We need a NaCl. So take a NaCl, add water to it. Now it is a brine solution. And along with this one, pass carbon dioxide. We have to and then ammonia, NH3, ammonia, NH3. So these are the ingredients what required to preparation of baking soda. Baking soda, NaCl, and it is added to the water, and again we have to add a carbon dioxide, from means it's a gas form, and then we have to add NH3. NH3 means ammonia. So it will give you NaHCO3, NaHCO3 along with NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride was released. So this is what our byproduct. This is what our byproduct. This is what our byproduct. So this is NaCl. So baking soda was prepared from NaCl. So NaCl is a raw material now. NaCl is a raw material for NaOH, bleaching powder, bleaching powder, and baking soda. Okay, this one is enough. Right now it is enough. I'll take about baking powder in the next in coming video. I'll tell you in the last of this one. I'll tell you about baking powder, how it was prepared. Now we'll go for washing soda. Means baking soda is used in a kitchen. Basically it is used in a kitchen, so remember that one. So along with, I'll tell you about washing soda. Last of this concept, washing soda. Washing soda. So again, how we have to prepare a washing soda? So washing soda's chemical formula is Na2CO3 Na2CO3 dot 10H2O dot 10H2O. It is aqueous form. I'll tell this one in the next of classes. Okay, the further classes I'll tell about how it what is this and how it is what the form it is ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು next ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. No issues on it. So now we have to prepare washing soda. So to prepare a washing soda, we need, basically first of all we need Na2CO3. That is what? Sodium carbonate. We need a sodium carbonate. How we have to prepare this sodium carbonate right now? That one we have to focus here. So there is no anything. We have to take NaHCO3. That is what? Baking soda. We have to heat it. We have to heat this one. At that time we'll get what? Na2CO3 along with H2O and carbon dioxide. So this is what a chemical formula to prepare Na2CO3. Right now, to prepare NaCO3 from NaHCO3 ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? NaHCO3. We have to prepare this from the baking soda. ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ Na2CO3 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Now we have to prepare Na2CO3.10H2O from what? Na2CO3. So this is obtained by recrystallization process. This is obtained by recrystallization. This can be prepared by recrystallization process. So that recrystallization process, in that one we have to add a constant moles of water to any chemical compound. That chemical compound will absorb the water and it will store it inside. That is called a recrystallization. And in this recrystallization process, Na2CO3 was added with 10 moles of water. 10 moles of water, and it will give you Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Understood? So Na2CO3 we have to add 10 moles of water. By this process is called a recrystallization. What is this called as? Recrystallization. This process is here, recrystallization. Clear? So this one is about that baking, how it was prepared, how we can prepare a washing soda. Washing soda's chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. That is a recrystallized product. And in this one we have to prepare first Na2CO3. Na2CO3 can be prepared by heating the baking soda. Heating the baking soda, we will get Na2CO3 along with water and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. And similarly, by recrystallization of Na2CO3 will give you a washing soda. It will give you washing soda. So this one is recrystallization, that we have to add constant moles of water to the product, and the product will absorb it and will keep inside, keep inside. So that is what Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, 10 moles of water is present in this one. So this is what a process of how NaCl was raw material for all the chemical compounds that we have listed here, So see here how it was linked each other. First of all, we have taken NaCl to produce NaOH, and then afterwards we have, there is a some byproducts, chlorine gas, and this chlorine gas is used. Where? In preparation of bleaching powder. So it was first link. This is a first link. In the next step, we have taken baking soda. To prepare a baking soda, directly we have taken NaCl. So there is no linkage here, NaCl here. So we have used NaCl and we added water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. We have prepared NaHCO3. That is what baking soda. And in the preparation of washing soda, we have taken that. NaHCO3 and we have heated it. You have got washing soda's one byproduct, Na2CO3, and this Na2CO3 is used in a recrystallization, and it produces the Na2CO3.10H2O as a byproduct. This is what you are that washing soda. And now I have said you that the baking powder was a byproduct. I have told you baking powder is different and baking soda is different. So I'll tell this one in the next video. But this one is a main thing. These things are main things, and I'll talk about baking powder in the next video. Okay, thank you.